Nah, I don't fuck with J's. I rock Nike Classics.
Yeah, you can get the J's.
What number them is you got?
Man, they like the 7s or 8s or something.
I seen like about 10 niggas with the same pair today on.
For real?
You must have just came out today, huh?
Yeah, they came out today.
You might want to step your shoe game up, boy.
What?
I rock Nike Classics.
Nike Classics.
Yeah.
Nike Classics. Nike Classics.
I rock Nike Classics.
Nike Classics.
Let's go. Let me show you.
Nike Classics.
I rock Nike Classics because I'm old school. I've been color coordinating since I was in school.
Nike Classics.
And ain't never had to flex. Fresh new classic with the Nike checks. I was no poop, but I kept my laces clean. Brand new shoe boosted my self-esteem. Since we was boys in the hood, fresh all whites, you couldn't tell me what's good. Now I'm still on the classics like the old days. A ex-con getting out still in his old ways. Still rocking them classics, ain't shit changed. Different colors on my feet every fucking day.
Nike Classics.
Yeah.
Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics.
J5 looking good in them low lows, wearing hot tops, that's a no-no. I with me caught dead and some Jordans. I'd rather rock Nike Classics, it's not that I can afford them. I can't be rushing to the mall on the same day, then step out that night looking like I'm running the same play. Talking about these the ones of the 7, get the fuck out of nigga, who the fuck you telling? I'm a Laker fan, it's either Chucks or Class. I keep my shoes crispy like they wrapped up in plastic. Clip bubble, clean side, 95 Maxes. Hard top, shell toe, all color classics.
Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics.
Yeah.
Nike Classics. Nike
Yeah,
Classics.
we
I
rock.
rock Nike Classics.
Yeah.
Nike Classics.
I rock.
Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics.
Yeah.
Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics.
Fresh white on white, man, they looking real sweet. Got my shoes laced up, man, I'm looking real neat. Got that pretty boy swag, you pretty boy mad. I'm wearing shoes that you wish you had. Blunting and flogging, see a nigga like 1-2, then I'm gone like a miraging. I cut nice when I'm wearing my classics. Straight up, I got a fetish, I'm an addict. Different colors for every fit, never clashing. Pinpoint to the T, I'm always matching. Never hot top, I only rock low lows. You niggas still on them J's, nigga, oh no.
Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics. Nike Classics.
You niggas got the same shoes on. Man, the J's come out, I gotta get it. I don't fuck with Jordans, nigga. The motherfucking shoe game, nigga. I rock Nike Classics. I rock Nike Classics. Keep them